All right, thank you so much and welcome to my channel. My name is Grace. I want to, in this video, I want to show us how to make a 3D applique using this plastic beads. This is crystal bead, this silver here, right here is crystal beads, and I have this white, and I have my copper wire. The size is size 8M, and then of course I have my plier. Maybe if I am using a wire that is too strong, these wires are of different sizes. We'll have a smaller size and the one that is stronger than this and the one that is lighter than this. So if I'm using the one that is stronger than this, I can use my plier to cut it. And then if I'm using the one that I can easily cut with my hand or using scissors, whichever one you're working with, that's fine. So let's get to work. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you. Alright, so the first thing I'll do is I'll get the length of my copper wire as desired. If I want my 3D applique long or short, I will get it depending on the length I want it to be, and then I'll cut it. And then I'll fold it into 2 equal parts so that I get the middle. So after doing this, I'll now carry my bead. I'll insert it on one part of the applique, the wire, and then I'll twist. Can you see that? Then I will now separate it. Depending on how the length I want from here to be, it can be shorter than this. Yours can be from here to where I twist it can be shorter, and or it can be longer depending on what you're looking for, the design you're looking for. So after I do like this, I will use either of these sides and do another one. And then go ahead and twist again. Go ahead and twist it again. Can you see this? Then I'll now use this other side of the copper wire again. Can you see this? Can you see the flower I'm making out of it? So now you just continue like this. So when you want to attach it on your fabric, you now use this remaining part to you now use this. When you want to attach it, you now use this remaining part to sew on your fabric. So another a best way to sew it, sometimes you can just tape the mouth so that this doesn't get somebody injured. So you just tape it before you now sew it. Depending on how, there are several ways to sew it. You can sew at these branches, or depending on how you want to sew it, using needle and thread. So you can use this or another size, any size at all, to do your applique. All right, this is another one. This particular copper wire is a smaller size compared to this one. Compared to this one, this is a very smaller size, and this was made from that small size. So you can actually design them use to get different shapes depending on how what you want to achieve. So do you see what we have?